Be ready. Start. Dear members of the company, Para, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you on the 32nd annual general meeting of your company and present you the balance sheet and annual accounts together with director's report for the year ending 31st July 2015. These have been in your hands for some time now, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. Para, the year 2015 has been good one for Indian economy, and the same is clearly on the move. A record Kharif good grain output, commercial crops generally doing well, and industrial production has been recovered from recession. Although the prospect for 2016 depends very much upon the next monsoon, but the later winter rains in last week have changed the entire prospects of Rabi crops. This has raised the hopes of achieving total food production of 200 million tons during the year 2015-16. The prospect of industry are also good primary because there is every sign that demand in most sectors of economy is growing. What may hold industry back is the uncertainty around the whole areas of industrial policy, which have acquired a new age of the publication of the committee report. The decision which have been pending both in industry and government for further expansion and growth are going to have a hold up for a period of 12 months or so. The next thing which will hold up industrial growth is the slow paralysis which is creeping the whole government decisions making apparatus, and I think apart from the monsoon, it is government decision making ability which is going to be the next major factor which will determine growth of industry in the near future. Friends, as you are aware or are making its best efforts to increase export of the country to earn foreign exchange. However, in spite of best efforts, the export have had a setback this year. There are various reasons for failing in the growth of export, such as shortages of indigenous raw material, recovery of internal depends, shortage in some critical sector, rising domestic cost, loss of production and export through industrial unrest, falling of export prices of certain products such as tea and so on. I think it is high time that we all take some long-term stock of export decision. So far, we have followed policy which has been different to that of most successful exporting countries, which have concentrated on a few areas where they have mutual advantages. Secondly, they have given themselves a long-term plan and strategy to develop these export. We, on the contrary, have shown term desire to export any and everything. We must see what are the significant fields of Indian advantages in the world of market and then draw at least 10 years comprehensive program beginning with raw material and doing on the international marketing and international prices. Stop.